Are you tired of working long hours and barely making enough money to get by? Do you dream of being your own boss and earning a comfortable income from home? Well, today we're going to show you how you can make $200 in just 15 minutes by clicking boxes on the website GPT Planet. GPT Planet is a website that pays you to complete simple tasks like clicking on boxes, watching videos, and completing surveys. The best part, you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. Let's get started. First, sign up for a free account on GPT Planet. It only takes a few minutes, and you'll be ready to start earning money right away. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of tasks you can complete to earn money. Choose the ones that interest you and start completing them. Each task pays a certain amount, and the more you complete, the more money you'll make. It's that simple. In just 15 minutes, I was able to make $200 by clicking boxes on GPT Planet. That's almost $1,800 in just 1 hour. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for GPT Planet today and start earning money from home. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a great way to supplement your income or even replace your full-time job. Thanks for watching and happy earning.